Alright, so next up for my assignment, I was required to put together some charts for you guys. Charts are very simple. Like a pivot table, all you really have to do is select your data that you want inside of the chart, select the type of chart that you would like to have, and then after that, really the data gets translated and it's all on you to dress it up how you'd like it to look. So as you'll see, here I am selecting the data that I would like to include in my chart. That would be the price per square foot and the state in which the address was sold. When opening up into the chart, I generally, especially with two simple variables, it's best for me. I like bar charts because they can show you exactly what you need to see in a very easy to understand way. So I'm sure you all know bar charts. We've probably been using them since about fourth grade to measure very simple variables. But yeah, so just like any other chart or any other table you put into Excel, after it's all said and done in terms of the content inside of it, the most important part is dressing it up to make sure it looks right. So you always want to have your right labels. As you see up here, I'm putting in the label for the entire chart. Then on the bottom axis, I will definitely be writing state, and over here I should be writing price per square foot, I believe, or no, just the price per square foot. So yeah, over here is the legend. You'll see the blue represents price per square foot. So like I said, it's very simple charts. It's not too complicated in terms of how to get your data inside of it. The only thing you want to make sure you stay on top of is that it's easy to read, and anyone who's reading it, even with no knowledge of the subject, can be able to understand the data that you've given them. So a big thing I like to do with my charts, especially when you have figures like this, like if you look here at Oklahoma, you'll see it's right up below 800, but you can't exactly see exactly what it is. If you look over here at, what is that, Virginia, you can see it's just above 900, but you can't see exactly what it is. In a little bit, you'll see me go up here. What I'm actually going to do is add an inside endpoint. What this does is it goes to every end of all the bars and puts a title or a label for the exact amount that it's going to be. So after I finish up making sure all my legend and all my axes are labeled correctly, notice that I'm going to go up and choose to label my inside endpoints. So once I do that, I will have the exact figures that each one of these bars represent, and then it'll be a lot more easy to interpret, and people won't really have to see what it's fluctuating around, but they can see exactly what it is. Like I told you before, I go to Morehouse, so it's simple for me to normally stick with a maroon or red color. It's best to make sure that your themes stay constant throughout, but it's really up to you to see what you'd like to do. So there you see, I just went and inserted my inside endpoints, and now there you go. You have the exact data points and the corresponding numbers at the top of the bar, so you can see exactly what the price per square foot is. I hope this was a helpful tutorial. I hope you were able to learn anything you need to know for charts, and I hope you can take this on to any of your own Excel endeavors. Thanks a lot.